Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial about how to use the new graph feature on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps with the photo or the video that you want to use the graph feature. And to use the graph feature, you need to add two keyframe. Click the photo and add to keyframe, this one, and in here this one. Let's say on the second keyframe you want the picture to be bigger, this one, like this. Okay, so this is what it look like without the graph feature, like this. Okay, the picture just move in a constant speed. Use the graph feature on the second keyframe in here, and then scroll all the way to the end. Grab in here, and then click on the graph. As you can see here, there are various presets that you can use. Maybe this one, or this one, or this one. Okay, or you can click the custom option to make your own graph. In here, the custom, edit. So this is a graph with a constant speed. Let's look at the graph using X and Y. The X present the time from keyframe 1 to keyframe 2. Y present the value of the keyframe motion, which means the distance from keyframe 1 to keyframe 2. Let's make some point. Add the bit to this one. Okay, like this. Like I mentioned before, the Y represents the distance from keyframe 1 and keyframe 2, like this. So if you have it at the highest point, that means you have reached the destination of keyframe 2. Then when you have a point that lower than the previous one, it will go back to the previous distance. So that pretty much sum up the basic of the graph function. Okay, this is what I look like with the custom graph. Okay, and then you can also use this with animation as well. Just click the picture and then click animation, and then you can choose whatever animation you like. And maybe I wanna okay, spin up this one. I'll ask this one, and then I'm going to adjust the duration. Okay, like this. So this is how it look like with animation. Okay, I hope this video give you a basic idea on what the graph function and how to use it. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.